What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5. So in today's video, guys, we do have an update on Spell token, which has gone for a minimal increase in value over the last 24 hours, just about 1.5% up. However, over the week it has more or less maintained its value with a minor dip here earlier on this afternoon yesterday, and overall for the month it is down a massive 8%. So we'll be going through what is next for Spell token for the rest of October and essentially for the rest of the year. Is it a buy, is it a sell, or is it simply an avoid situation for this crypto, as over the years it has been dropping in value rather than heading upwards. So yeah, before I go any further, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So at the moment, the crypto is trading very close to the blue line here, which is bang on in the middle. So essentially it is performing like it's meant to, very close to the middle part here. Still in the lower half, however nowhere near the green or the red line here, which means it is not expected to go for a major pump or a drop anytime soon. So essentially hovering around its current price range is what I'm predicting, with very minimal dips and peaks in between, just like how it has been performing over the last couple of months. However, towards the end of the year, I am predicting it to increase heading upwards. Reason being is I'm expecting Bitcoin to be hitting over $135,000-$140,000, where we should see an increase in value, not just on Bitcoin but the crypto market in general, and that would have a major play on Spell token increasing in value. However, do expect red candles in between as well. So if we do get rid of the Bollinger Band and bring on the RSI, we can see here the RSI is currently at 41 and 44, which is very close to 50. So that is another indicator telling us the crypto is performing like it's meant to at the moment, is not overvalued or undervalued, so it is essentially pretty much on target. So zooming into the hourly chart, we can see how volatile the crypto has been over the last 24 to 48 hours. And if we do bring on the MACD indicator here, we can see the MACD line is looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, trading above the baseline and the signal line, indicating a very minimal increase in value over the next couple of hours. Towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, trading at slightly higher value, but again, nothing too crazy. Zooming out to the 4-hour chart now, we are still looking bullish. The MACD line is still looking bullish. However, the signal line is looking quite bearish, indicating an overall fluctuation in value for Spell token over the next few days, going towards the end of this week, early next week. So going towards mid-October, the crypto should be hovering around its current price range, and that is exactly what it has been doing over the last 2 weeks. It has been hovering around its current price range. That is where the average is at the moment. Zooming out to the daily chart over the next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again, we're looking quite bullish here. We have both the blue line and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, indicating an overall bullish movement for Spell token going towards the end of the year, going into November, December and early next year as well. Again, it's not going to be a huge increase. As you guys can see, the lines are not looking too steep. They are just about slanting towards the positive direction, which is a good thing because we don't want it to skyrocket and then drop back down in value, as we have seen this back in January this year, where it literally just pumped up like crazy, and then what essentially happened is it dropped back down even further down where it was prior to that. So we want a slow and steady increase in value over the next couple of weeks and next few months as well. So if we look at its overall trend since earlier this year, overall it has gone for a major drop, guys, which is not looking too great. However, we are looking to reverse that going into the end of this year and early next year. We should see this bearish line going in a bullish direction at a similar stance here, as you guys can see. But yeah, let's get rid of this one here. Heading back into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume is down 16%, currently at $5 million, guys, over the last 24 hours. There were points where the trading volume did go up like crazy. For example, here just about under a month, 3 weeks ago, where it was at $30 million. However, since then it has died quite a bit. But yeah, that is my take on Spell token, guys. Do expect an overall increase in value towards the end of the year, but at the moment it is highly likely to stay around its current price range with very minimal green and red candles in between. Let me know your end of year prediction for Spell token. How high are you guys predicting this crypto to go in 2025? Let me know in the comment section down below. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway. giveaway, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.